up the ladder like my playing ticket. Was living economic till I turned business. My wrist so whippy cold, damn it, I ain't frozen. Nah, 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 nah. People come and go and bounce, breaking no hearts we broke.
Alright, hello my friends. So today's video, as you can see from the title, it is going to be an aesthetic DIY. I do have some ideas that I think you guys will enjoy, so yeah, keep on watching if you guys want to see how I make it. But I think I might make this like an actual series on my channel where I like try different TikTok DIYs, because I've been seeing a lot of them and I'm just like, you know what, maybe I should like try it out. I don't know, but if you guys would like to see more of that, please do let me know in the comments. But I think that's all I have to say, and I think we should just get straight on into it, so let's do it. So this DIY is actually similar to something that I did a few weeks ago, which was the Spotify glass art DIY. So basically you're just going to be needing some sticker paper, a glass of your choice, which I used from just like an old frame, and then some paint marker. And now as you can see here, I'm just choosing an image that would, I guess, would look as like an Instagram post. So as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and crop it to 1:1 on Photoscape if it's not even cropped already. But as you can see here, I'm just gonna go ahead and crop it to my liking, and once you're done, go ahead and save it and print it out onto the sticker paper. And yeah, with the sticker paper that I use, it was easy to peel off. And also I'll be leaving this down in the description box, but it's basically the Instagram control buttons, like the heart, the share button. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and print that out, and then you're gonna go ahead and tape it onto the back. So now with the paint marker, you're just gonna go ahead and trace the buttons out, and you could just leave it as is. But as you can see in the upcoming clip, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more things just to make it more Instagrammable, is that a thing? Or like a screenshot, I guess you could say. But yeah, I just went ahead and traced whatever was on that paper and then peeled it off. And like I said, I decided to add a few more things. So I added like the dots at the top, and then I also decided to add like a little caption, so like by BTS. But yeah, once you are satisfied with how everything looks, you are pretty much done. And I thought this turned out really, really cute, and I put it next to my Spotify glass art, and I'm obsessed.
왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 blue 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night.
So I've been seeing this trend all over TikTok and Pinterest, but basically it's like a transparent milk carton that I got from Amazon, and I'll leave it down below. But basically I'm just gonna go ahead, just like the Spotify and the Instagram glass art, I'm gonna go ahead and use my paint marker to draw some little clouds on the milk carton. And I guess essentially I just want to make it look aesthetically pleasing, like, you know, the sky. I guess that's what I was interested in, and I've been obsessed. So yeah, I decided to just use some paint after I decided to use the paint marker. And I decided to add a few more things too, like a little bit of sparkles, because y'all know I am obsessed with the sparkles and the pastel stuff. So yeah, we just went for those colors. And then as you can see here, I'm drawing like little lines just to like go with the clouds. And then as you can see, I'm adding the sparkles. But yeah, you could just leave it as is, but I wanted to be extra. And because this is a K-pop DIY, I did decide to print out some images on the sticker paper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the one that I wanted and then just place it onto the milk carton, and you are pretty much done. It is really, really cute for room decor, and yeah. Mine shot, I hope so. But anyways, for this DIY, yeah, we are gonna be using tie-dye. So yeah, I've been seeing that trend on like TikTok, and if you guys can hear the fan, don't mind it. It is really hot right now. I wanted to do it with like a white sweater, and we'll see how it goes. It could either turn out cute, or it could either turn out really ugly. So hoping that it turns out cute. But anyways, I don't know what colors I plan on using, probably like 2 colors. So yeah, but anyways, we're gonna try this out, and yeah. So I decided to use the swirl effect, which is basically swirling from the center of the shirt or sweater and now using some rubber bands to just keep it shape. And I put about 6 of them on there so that there would be like 6 panels, so when you're tie-dyeing you know where to put the colors. But now with the bottles that come with the tie-dye, I just decided to add water and shake it up, but it all depends on what tie-dye you bought. But yeah, this is how I ended up doing my tie-dye. I honestly had no plan on where things should go, so pretty much all the colors are like morphed together in a weird way, and I was just hoping that it would just turn out cute, I guess, because when it comes to tie-dye you honestly just don't know what it's gonna look like until after you like take off the rubber bands. So I just went for it and was just hoping for the best, but I mean, we'll just see what happens. But yeah, this is what mine ended up looking like. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and place it into a plastic bag, and I would suggest to leave it overnight so that the colors fully saturate onto the fabric. But as you can see, this was filmed the next day, and I went ahead and took off the rubber bands to see how it ended up looking, and then I decided to add it into my washer and then my dryer, and you are basically done. So yeah. Alright, so in the previous clip, yeah, you can see I was like washing it and everything. Like, I was so excited to see how it would turn out, and it was a fail. So the front of it looks cute. Like, I posted it on my Instagram because I was like, you know what, the front of it looks cute, but the back of it is the issue because there was no color on the back. It was still white. So I was just like, this is somewhat a fail, but you know what, I'ma still make it work. So I didn't include it, but I decided to just add like some butterfly patches, and I thought it still looked pretty cute. So yeah, and I know that a lot of you guys were like saying, oh my god, how did you make this? And I was just like, yeah, this is part of a DIY, and originally I wasn't gonna include it because I was like, this is such a fail, but you know what, since a lot of you guys were asking, I decided to include it. But yeah, I ended up doing something else, so I ordered another sweater, and yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys in the next clip what I did. So yeah. So for the new version of the DIY, I decided to just print out this logo of BTS, and I'll probably leave this down below. But basically, I printed it onto just a very thin piece of paper, and then on the back of it, I went ahead and shaded the areas that I want to transfer onto the sweater. And now I just placed it onto the sweater using some washi tape. And now with a sharp pencil, I'm gonna go ahead and start tracing the areas into which I would like the image or logo to transfer onto the fabric. So you're just gonna keep on doing that until you get like somewhat of a faint tracing onto the sweater. As you can see, this is what it ended up looking like. And then now with some fabric paint, I'm gonna go ahead and just start painting it in. At first I was thinking of using just some like iron-on image transfers, but I feel like those don't end up working well, especially after washing it a few times. It ends up fading away. So I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna go ahead and paint it. And I'm not the best at precision, but you know, I honestly liked how this turned out. So I really do like that it turned out really, really cute. I thought I would mess up, but it turned out nice. So I'm not mad at it. But yeah, you're just gonna go ahead and paint until you fully cover the entire logo. And yeah, once that is done, I let it dry for like a few hours, and now with these cute iron-on patches that I got from Amazon, I got a wide range of stuff like planets and butterflies. I decided to just plan where I wanted to put it near the logo, and now with an iron, just go ahead and iron them on. And I would suggest to put like a fabric on top of it just so that you're not ironing it on directly. But yeah, go ahead and iron it on, and once that is done, you are left with this, and I am obsessed with how it looks, and I'm in love. I'm just speechless, but it's so cute.
I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got.
Alright guys, so that is the end of the DIY. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do end up recreating them, please do tag me. I would love to see your wonderful recreations, especially for the sweaters. Oh my god, they turned out so, so cute. And I know that it's really, really hot right now, but like, listen, when it gets colder, it's gonna be cute to be wearing outside. So yeah. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on my social media. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. Love that shameless self promo as always. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope that you all are staying safe and know that we will get through this pandemic together. We are still in this quarantine, but you know, we got it. And yeah, that is all I have to say, and I will just see you guys again soon. I love you guys so much, and yeah, bye.
I fell in love in spring, have loved you like summer. 가을 오는 길에서